Good morning. Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is the time just now? It is 9:45, 46. I started the meeting, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vishesh Agarwal, good morning. Vishesh
morning, ma'am.
Agarwal. I was already taking a class. So my meeting was going on in class 12th. And as soon as I posted the link 10 minutes before we post the link and you joined the link.
No, ma'am.
You were
I
entering-
by mistake
you were
I
entering-
joined.
You were entering my class 12th only. I was teaching in class 12th. Children, please do not join the link before the decided time. You know the timings. Actually, what happens is the same meeting link is shared with another class. So we are teaching in another class. So when you come, you actually join another class. Today, the same thing happened when I was teaching class 12th. Vishesh was already there in the waiting room, though the class 12th class was going on. So please join on your time only. Otherwise, there's a lot of confusion for you as is for me. Did we have a class earlier?
No, ma'am.
This is
No,
the first
ma'am.
class?
No,
Yes,
yes, ma'am.
Chaliye, never mind. If this is the first class, let's start. Agrim, very quickly. I want the names. Agrim, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please say good morning. Then we
Good morning,
have
ma'am.
Akshada. Akshada,
Yes, ma'am. Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Yes. Ayush Singh.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Very good morning. Anand Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Anamta.
Present, ma'am.
Ayush Singh, why you have written your name microscopically? Ayush Singh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
अरे भाई थोड़ा बड़ा बड़ा नाम लिखो, पढ़ने के लिए वो माइक्रोस्कोप देखना पड़ रहा है मुझको. आयुष सिंह लिखा है, क्या लिखा है? इवन विद माय ग्लासेस ऑन आई एम नॉट एबल टू रीड. थोड़ा बड़ा करके लिखो भाई. सी हाउ आनंद कुमार इज रिटन बड़ा बड़ा. दीपशिखा, गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, ma'am.
देवांश. देवांश
Good morning,
पटेल.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग डियर. गुड मॉर्निंग. धनंजय.
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग. आई जस्ट बी मार्किंग स्टूडेंट्स हु रिप्लाई बैक. ध्रुव शर्मा.
Good morning,
Dhruv
ma'am.
Sharma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good. 2 times only I'll take your name, otherwise I'll mark you absent. Kavya Agarwal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Malay and Sohali.
Present, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear Haseen.
Good morning, ma'am.
Acha, good morning. And now Nikhil.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ramsha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good. Sanya
Good morning, ma'am.
and Vishesh Agarwal. Vishesh, good morning.
Ma'am.
Good morning, Vishesh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you are present in the meeting. That is good. No forged attendance. You remember we did determiners in class 9th? सच बता दो, याद है कि नहीं याद है?
Yes,
देखो,
ma'am.
If you
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
remember, honestly tell me. If you don't remember, I'll take a quick revision of 5 minutes. And if you remember, well and good. How many of you remember? Tell me how many of you remember, how many of you want a revision?
Revision.
Revision. Good. Anybody else? Everybody else is confident? You don't want to revise?
Ma'am, we want to revise.
You want to revise.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me very quickly
Yes,
revise
ma'am.
first. Revise karte hain, otherwise it's a wastage of time. 9th as it is, you have hardly studied. देखो बेटा, when I say determiners, पहले ध्यान से सुनो. I mean which words? This, that, these, those. Which are the 4 determiners commonly used? I'll come to you one by one. Jaldi batao. Which are the 4 common determiners?
This,
This,
these,
This,
those.
that,
these.
These, those.
those.
Acha.
These,
This,
those.
that, these, those.
If anybody has a doubt कि ये कहाँ पे use होते हैं, you can please ask me. Everybody knows where this is used?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Anything which is near and singular, we say this. And anything which is far and singular, we say that. Similarly, plurals में. If something is very close to you and it is plural, we will say these, and if it is far, then we'll say those. Supposing you're sitting on your table, abhi, aap imagine karo. If you're sitting on a table, well and good. If you're not sitting, imagine that you're sitting on a table and there is one book lying next to you. तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? This book या that book? या these book या those book? क्या बोलोगे?
Ma'am, that.
This book.
Ma'am, that.
This book.
बेटा आपके पास पड़ी है
This
उसी
book.
टेबल. This book. Why not that?
Ma'am,
Why not
because it
that?
is
Ma'am, because वो दूर नहीं है.
बिल्कुल वो दूर नहीं है. That is why वो that नहीं है, this है. And why not these and those?
ma'am, because it's
Ma'am,
singular.
Because
singular है.
it's singular.
चलिए ठीक है. अब वो book हटा दो and दूर ले जाके रख दो. Then what will you say? This book or that book?
That
That
That book.
अब बहुत सारी books रख लो अपने पास टेबल पे. And then क्या बोलोगे? These books or those books?
Ma'am,
These.
these books.
These books.
Madam,
These.
book.
Why
These
not
books.
why not this book? Why these books?
Because there are many
Ma'am,
books.
because
Many
it's
books.
plural.
Ma'am, there are so many books.
Okay, now you pick up those books and keep them away from you. So these books becomes.
Those books.
Those book.
Those.
books.
So what are the first four determiners I've just discussed with you? Jaldi बताइए.
This,
These,
that, those, these.
That, those.
Everybody has understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The next determiners which are generally used are possessives. Mine, yours, his, hers, theirs, मेरा. मेरा, ये मेरा table है. This is mine. ये आपका table है. This is yours. ये राहुल का table है. This is his. So what are these called? These are called as possessives. What do you call them as?
Possessive.
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 Mine, yours, his, hers, theirs, they are all possessives. These are the next determiners. Okay, tell me which are the next kind of determiners we've just had? अभी अभी जो पढ़ा?
Mine, yours, her,
Mine,
his,
yours,
theirs.
hers,
Mine, yours, hers, his.
theirs.
Acha. Now we have done 9 determiners. Come on, let's start from the beginning. Which were the first 4 I did with you?
This,
These,
that.
that, these, those.
This, that, these, those.
Okay, the next 5 that I just did with you.
Mine, your,
Mine,
his,
Yours, her,
theirs.
his, theirs.
Very good. Mine, yours, his, hers, and theirs. 9 हो गए बेटा, 9 determiners. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yes,
move on to
ma'am.
the difficult ones now. Some and any. Which are the next 2 determiners we're going to do?
Some and
Some
any.
and some and any.
इसको समझ लीजिए. If something is positive, कोई चीज है, yes में आंसर है, तो आप बोलोगे some. What will you say? Some. I have some books. I have some friends. Okay. I have some chocolates. मतलब है, कोई चीज है, positive. So with positive you will use what? Some or any?
Some.
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 And if the sentence is negative, you want to say कि नहीं है, then you will say I don't have any books.
Any.
What will you say?
Any.
Any. I don't have any books. I don't have any
Any.
chocolates. बिल्कुल सही. ठीक है? So with positive sentences, what is used?
Some.
Some,
Some.
And with negative
Some.
sentences?
Any.
Negative
any,
sentences? Any.
Any. Any.
ठीक है. With interrogative sentences, again any is used. Interrogative मतलब अगर हम कोई question पूछेंगे किसी से, that is interrogative. तो अगर I have to ask Dhananjay that do you have chocolates, so I will not say do you have some chocolates. What will I tell Dhananjay?
ma'am, do you have some chocolates?
Do you have any chocolate?
Any chocolates.
Yes. Do you have any chocolates? Because जब हम question पूछते हैं interrogative sentence तो any use करते हैं. What do we use?
Any.
Any,
Any.
अब जल्दी बताइए. With positive, what is
Any.
used? Some or positive?
Some.
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 Interrogative?
Some.
Interrogative?
Some.
Any.
Any.
And negatives?
Any.
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 any,
I'll speak sentences and you fill some or any. ठीक है? I have dash books. I have.
Some.
है.
I have
Some
many,
books.
Some
I have
books.
some books.
Some.
Some.
Good. I don't have dash books.
Any.
I don't have any book.
Very good.
Any.
You have dash. Do you have dash books?
Any.
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 बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. एक और practice करते हैं. I have dash rings.
Ma'am,
Some.
Some.
I have some.
I don't have dash rings.
Any.
any,
Do you have dash rings? Do you have dash rings?
Any.
Any.
Very good. I hope the difference between some and any is clear.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
With
ma'am.
positive sentences, what is used?
Some.
Some,
Some.
With interrogative sentences?
Any.
any,
With negative
Any.
sentences? Negative
Any.
sentences.
Any.
Okay, so can we have the 11 determiners which I've done with you one by one very quickly? What are the 11 we have done?
this, that,
This, that, these, those, mine, yours,
mine, yours,
there,
his,
some, and
hers,
any.
that, some, and
Any.
any.
The total is 11, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
11. We have 17 determiners which we'll be doing. 11 are all done.
Yes,
I would suggest
Yes, ma'am.
please make your notebooks because your internal marks will be given on the basis of your notebooks only. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to put the heading determiners, write the name of all the determiners, and then only the answers of the exercise that I'll do with you. This is how we'll be doing. Chaliye, let's move on to the next one. Should I go further?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Much and many. Much and many. Much is used for uncountable. जो चीज काउंट नहीं होती है ना, वेट होता है जिसका, खाली गिन नहीं सकते, बस वेट लेते हैं, वो मच होता है. I have much sugar. I have much rice. Okay, so much is used for uncountables. जो वेट होता है जिसका, जैसे ऐसे ये नहीं गिनते मेरे पास 4 राइस है 6 राइस है. We don't say this. We say 4 kg, 6 kg. मतलब जिसका वेट होता है बेटा, that is uncountable. We use much. What do we use?
Much.
Much.
And countables, with countables we use many. Like I have many books.
Many.
I have many friends. Okay, अब आप fill करिएगा. I'll speak out sentences. I have dash sugar. Much or many?
Much.
I have dash milk.
Much.
Very good. I have dash water.
Much.
Very good. Very good. Keep answering. Very good. Keep answering, children, so that you know what is much and many ka difference. And now tell me, I have dash friends. Much or many?
Many.
Many.
I have
Many.
dash chocolates. I have dash
Many.
chocolates.
Many.
So much and many.
Many.
भी समझ.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Which were the first 4 determiners?
This, that,
these,
these, those.
that,
This,
these,
that,
those.
these, those.
That, those.
Everybody has understood all these 4 determiners.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
After this, we did what?
Mine, yours,
Mine,
his,
yours,
hers.
hers,
Hers.
his, theirs.
बहुत
Mine,
बढ़िया. Then,
yours, hers.
Some,
Some,
any.
and any.
yes, some and any.
Some,
Everybody,
any.
everybody
any.
knows the difference between some and any.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Abhi the
Yes,
two I did.
ma'am.
Which are the 2 I did with
Much
you?
and many.
Much and many.
Much and many.
Very good. Now I'm moving on to the last ones. Few, a few, the few, and little, a little, the little. ठीक है? ये बिल्कुल same होते हैं. The only difference is few is used for countables and little is used for uncountable. ठीक है? Few is used for countables and little is used for
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
अब बताइएगा few या now tell me few or little. I have dash milk in my bottle. Little or few?
Little.
Little.
Little. बेटा जो चीज का वेट होता है अगर वो ज्यादा है तो मच है और अगर कम है तो लिटिल. ठीक है? जैसे मच में नहीं करा था, अभी करा था मच एंड मेनी.
Yes, ma'am.
तो
Okay.
मच का जस्ट ऑपोजिट इज लिटिल. बहुत ज्यादा मच एंड बहुत कम लिटिल. सो रिमेम्बर, अनकाउंटेबल के लिए लिटिल एंड काउंटेबल्स के लिए फ्यू.
Few.
Countables के लिए what?
Few.
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 Okay. I have dash friends. Few or little?
Few.
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 I have dash water in my bottle. Few or little?
Little.
Little water. Little.
Very good.
Little.
I have dash chocolates. Few or little?
Few.
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 Few. Few.
I have dash rice in the bag. Little or few?
Little.
Few.
Little.
Few.
Little.
Little.
बहुत अच्छा। जिस चीज का वेट होता है, अगर वो ज्यादा है तो मच है, अगर कम है तो लिटिल है। एंड काउंटेबल वाला ज्यादा मैनी एंड कम वाला फ्यू। क्लियर एवरीवन?
Few.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फ्यू, अ फ्यू एंड द फ्यू। फ्यू का मतलब बहुत ही कम, बिल्कुल नाम के लिए, ऑलमोस्ट नेगेटिव है ही नहीं, बस सिर्फ नाम के लिए। सपोजिंग देयर इज 1 ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर इन योर बॉटल, तो वो नाम के लिए तो है, बट इट्स एक्चुअल मीनिंग इज नेगेटिव। यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
बहुत ही कम है, बहुत ही कम, ऑलमोस्ट नो है, तो वी से लिटिल। व्हाट डू वी से?
Little.
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 आपकी वाटर बॉटल में देयर इज जस्ट 1 ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर, तो यू कैन नॉट से आई डोंट हैव वाटर, बिकॉज उसमें है, 1-2 ड्रॉप्स तो हैं। सो यू विल से आई हैव लिटिल वाटर। व्हाट विल यू से?
I have
Little.
little water.
I have little water.
Little water.
सपोजिंग पूरी बॉटल में 1 ग्लास वाटर है, मतलब कम है लेकिन है, तो यू कैन गिव इट टू समबडी और नॉट? 1 ग्लास से काम चलेगा नहीं चलेगा?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You will say I have a little water. What will you say?
A little.
A little water.
बिल्कुल नहीं, नेगेटिव है, नाम के लिए है तो लिटिल, और अगर थोड़ा सा है तो a little. What is the word you will use?
A little.
A little. एक होता है the little. The little का मतलब जो भी थोड़ा बहुत है। The little water I had. Okay? I gave it to Akshada. जो भी थोड़ा बहुत था दे दिया। So little का मतलब almost negative, a little का मतलब थोड़ा सा, and the little का मतलब जो भी थोड़ा बहुत था। Okay? Now you tell me. Supposing in my bag I just have 2 grains of rice, सिर्फ 2 दाने चावल के। What will I say? I have little rice or a little rice?
I have little.
Little.
अच्छा, I have 500 grams
Little
of rice.
rice.
What will I say?
A little.
Few.
A
A
little.
little.
A
A
little.
little.
तो काउंटेबल्स के लिए होता है। एंड जो भी थोड़ा बहुत था आई गेव इट टू ध्रुव शर्मा। सो व्हाट विल आई से?
The little.
The
द लिटिल।
little.
वेरी गुड। व्हाट विल आई से?
little.
द लिटिल।
The
The
little.
little.
चलिए फिर से करते हैं। सपोजिंग इन दी बॉटल आई जस्ट हैव 2 ड्रॉप्स ऑफ मिल्क, ओनली 2 ड्रॉप्स। सो व्हाट विल आई से? लिटिल, अ लिटिल और द लिटिल?
Little.
Little. A
Little.
little.
आई हैव लिटिल मिल्क। व्हाट विल आई से? आई हैव लिटिल मिल्क।
Little.
अगर थोड़ा सा 1 बोल, थोड़ा 1 कटोरा या 1 बोल के बराबर मिल्क है बॉटल में, व्हाट विल आई से? लिटिल, अ लिटिल,
A little.
A
A
little.
little.
वेरी गुड। और जो भी थोड़ा बहुत था आई गेव इट टू रमशा। तो व्हाट विल आई
The
से?
little.
The little.
The
The
little.
little.
I'll say
The
the
little.
little milk I had, I gave it to Raksha. सबको समझ में आ गया? Little, a little, the little?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. बिल्कुल सेम यूजेज होता है, few, a few and the few. The only difference is वो काउंटेबल्स में होता है। Supposing I have no friends, नाम के लिए कोई भी, मतलब एक दोस्त है वो भी सिर्फ नाम के लिए है, then I'll say few friends or a few friends or the few friends.
Few friends.
Friends.
And if I have two, only two, then few or a few?
A
A
few.
few.
A few. And वो जो मेरे 2 फ्रेंड्स थे वो चले गए दिल्ली।
The
Dash
few.
friends I
The
had, I
few.
have gone to.
The few.
Excellent. Now we are done with all the determiners. Let's speak out this, that, these, those. You know the usage?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mind, yours, his, hers, theirs.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Some, any,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
much, many.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
A little, the little, little, a little, the little.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Few, a few, the few.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Too good. Now what we'll do is we'll do an exercise on determiners, and if we do mistakes, then I'll understand कि आपको कौन सा वाला अभी भी ठीक से समझ नहीं आया, then I'll explain it again to you. चलिए, this you have to do this. Just do the first 4. How many you'll do?
And this we have, ma'am, fair copy.
बेटा, fair copy में अभी you have written all the determiners name.
No, ma'am.
So बेटा, how many of you are having your copies with you just now?
Am
How
I?
many of you have notebooks? Dhananjay has. Who else has?
Am I?
ठीक है. Now let's do one thing. Those who have fair notebooks, write in your notebooks. Those who have rough notebooks, first write in rough so that you can make a notebook today. Put today's date. Put the name of the chapter determiners. चलो, I'm giving you 2 minutes. जल्दी करो. बेटा copy maintain करो because class 10 you have internal marks. 100 marks are internal. 20 in each subject. So copy बनाना ही बनाना है. And I'll ask for a notebook. Hurry up. Write the name of the chapter determiners. Put today's date. Done? Everybody is done?
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't have a fair notebook, write it in rough. Done, bache? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now write the name of all the determiners. Write important determiners. Put on the heading important determiners. Important determiners. And Dhananjay, who all are doing in fair copy?
Ma'am, me.
Ramsha is doing it in fair copy and Vishesh is doing in fair copy. Ramsha and Vishesh, only 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Ramsha and Vishesh, beta, when the period gets over, Nikhil is also doing in fair copy. Bahut badhiya. All 3 of you listen. When the period gets over, take a photo and post it on the class group, your work. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So that others, those who don't have a fair copy will be able to note down. Very good, all 3 of you. Please post it and send it to me on my personal number also. I will go through it.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? I'll be maintaining a record. किस किस का copy आ गया correction के लिए? You have to send it to me. All 3 of you post it on the class group and send it to me. So we'll write important determiners. चलो लिखना start करते हैं. Tell me, लिखते जाइए this, comma that, this, that, these, those. This, that, these, those. Next, mine, mine, comma yours, comma his, comma hers. His, hers, theirs. Theirs, theirs. Comma some, comma any, comma much, comma many. Much, many, comma few, a few, the few. Few, a few, the few. Little, a little, the little. Little, a little, and the little. Raise your hands, those who finished writing. I want to see. Anamta is finished. Dhananjay, Vishesh, Akshida, Nikhil, Ramsha, Sanya. All those who are doing in fair copy, please post it on the class group immediately after the class. चलो बेटा, अब start करते हैं. Now please write exercise 1. Put on the heading exercise 1. We'll just write the answers. We will not write the questions. Just write exercise 1. Just write the answers. चलिए, should I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let us discuss the answer. How was your trip to beach? Oh,
To
sorry.
that
A and
beach.
To that beach.
चलिए, to that beach. Very good. That beach or this beach, both are correct. It was wonderful. We had dash gala time. Beta, a and the are also determiners. You can use them also. जो articles पढ़े थे
Okay, ma'am.
9th में, a and the, you can use them also. We had dash gala time.
We
Very
had
good. A gala time. So please write down the answers. How was your trip to that beach? It was wonderful. We had a gala time. Second one, Lena. We don't have dash milk.
any milk.
Much.
Milk.
Very good. Much भी ठीक है, any भी ठीक है. Any is ज़्यादा better because it's a negative sentence. Any milk. Rakesh. I will go to dash market.
That market.
That
That.
market.
That market, you can use a and the also. I will go to that market and fetch. And fetch. Fetch का मतलब bring. And bring
That.
some. नहीं, bring some milk ना, थोड़ा सा दूध लेकर के आऊंगा. That is what he's saying. So little milk is what it will, and what could you say? And fetch some. We need dash bread too. We
Many.
need okay, we need many bread too or a bread too. Both are correct. Now come to third one. Snigdha. It's a lot better than dash last apartment, isn't it?
Then that last apartment.
Very good. Very good. Then that last apartment. Did you say there are 4 people living here? Pooja, yes. And we all have our dash bedrooms.
A bedroom.
No, there is nothing needed here. So put a cross over here. We all have our bedrooms. So put a cross over here. No determiner is needed here. Come to the fourth one. Sona, does dash person pay a quarter of the rent?
That person.
That person.
No. It's a question mark. Interrogative sentence.
Any person.
Very good. Does any person pay a quarter of the rent? It's a question mark. Poonam, that's right. On the first of dash month.
Of that month.
Of the month. On the first of the month. Hema, did you and dash friends have a nice holiday?
Some.
Yours.
Your friends.
Yours. Very good. Did you and your friends have a nice holiday? Priya, yes, we had the best holiday of dash lives. Possessive use kariye beta.
Our lives.
Our lives. Very good. Our lives. Did you and your friends have a holiday? Yes, we had the best holiday of our lives. Come to the sixth one. Monica, I don't think I can lift dash box on my own.
That box.
Very good. That box. I need dash help.
Some help.
Some
Very
help.
good. बहुत अच्छे. I need some help. Lizzie, oh well, I could have helped you, but I have dash pain.
Some.
Yes, you can have some. And also is correct. Some is also correct. An awful pain in dash left shoulder.
Her. Hip.
No. My.
In.
My. Possessive. Use possessive. My left shoulder. He's saying I, na? So with I, the
Yes.
possessive should be my. देखो I की possessive is my. Sameer,
Okay, ma'am.
dash team won the inter-school cricket tournament.
This team.
That team.
This.
That both are correct. There must have been a dash excitement in the match.
Some.
Much or many?
Much.
Much. Very good. Much excitement in the match. Much is uncountable, no? Hamid. No, it was dash an uninteresting match.
N.
Very good. An uninteresting. And beta, you है ना? Vowels के साथ and. It was an uninteresting match. Dash team played well and the game was dash tie.
That team
That
played
team.
well.
Yes, and the game was dash tie.
Our tie.
Good. And the game was a tie. Then teacher, do you have dash doubts in this topic?
Any doubt. Any.
Shall we very quickly?
And please
Any
scroll
doubt?
Any
this.
doubts? Garima, yes, ma'am. I have dash
Any.
doubts in that topic. No, this is not
I
a
have
negative.
some doubts in that topic.
Very good. I have some
I
doubts in
have
that
some
topic.
doubts in that
I'm
topic.
giving you 1 minute. Please finish your written work. And if somebody has a doubt in any of the sentence, please ask me. Just take 1
Ma'am,
minute.
please scroll the screen.
Take it. Please note down and let me know if you have any problems in any of the sentence. Please write the answers. If you have a problem, please let me know. Finish your written work. Ask me if you have a doubt.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, I'm waiting for others also.
Ma'am, done.
Good. Do you have doubts in any of the topics? Any of the sentence, I mean, beta?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Sure?
No, ma'am.
No,
Good,
ma'am.
good. And you've written also the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you missed out on any of the answers?
Ma'am, third ka first, ma'am.
No,
Please
ma'am.
repeat the answer.
Yes,
Beta,
ma'am.
tell him
Third.
the answer, what he's asking. Tell your friend the answer.
That.
Any other part you have a doubt?
And sixth first.
Tell quickly, friends.
That.
That. And some.
Okay. Now we'll move on to exercise 2. Please write in your copies exercise 2. There aren't dash flowering plants in our garden.
Any.
Very good. Negative sentence है ना? बहुत अच्छे. Any. They say dash knowledge is a dangerous thing.
There.
Little knowledge. Little knowledge. Knowledge is not countable, na? So you will say
Yes,
little
ma'am.
knowledge.
Little.
They say little knowledge. Third one. I am having dash trouble passing my driving exam. Some trouble. बहुत ही अच्छे. I am having some trouble. Fourth, dash people can afford a home these days.
Some.
Some people, few people, both are correct. Some भी ठीक है, few भी ठीक है. Dash of the information proved to be outdated.
That.
That of the information, no. Some of the information. What would be better? Some. Some of the information proved to be
Some.
outdated. I didn't use dash fertilizer last spring.
Any.
Very
Any.
good. Any. It's a negative sentence. Any. The garden looks awful this summer. There are 2 dash weeds. Much or many?
Much.
Many. Much.
Many. Weeds with छोटे वाले plants. You can count them. There are too many weeds. Next. On Sundays, there is not dash traffic along the road. Much or many? Traffic के लिए
Much.
very good. Much traffic. Very good. Much traffic. 8th is much traffic. 9th.
Ma'am, what is
It
seventh
rained
one?
heavily. Anji?
Ma'am, what is the seventh one?
7th is there are too many weeds. Small plants are called weeds. Now you can count them. So many weeds.
Yes, ma'am.
8th, much traffic. 9th, it rained heavily. Only dash children came to school.
Some.
Only some children. Some भी ठीक है, a few भी ठीक है. You can use anything. Only a few children or only some children. I always keep dash money in my wallet for emergencies.
Some money.
Some.
Very
Some money.
some. The doctor advised me to eat dash apple every morning.
An apple.
An apple.
बहुत ही अच्छे. Last one. My brother doesn't drink dash coffee.
Any coffee.
Any coffee. Because
Any.
negative If you see it doesn't, it's a negative sentence. So it should be what? It should be any. Any doubts in any of these? There aren't, chaliye ek baar फिर से, there aren't dash flowering plants.
Any.
And
Any.
They say dash knowledge is a dangerous thing.
Little.
I am having dash trouble passing exam.
Some.
Some.
Dash people can afford a home these days.
Few.
Some.
Few or some. Dash of the information proved to be outdated.
Some.
Some.
I didn't use dash fertilizer last spring.
Any.
Any.
The garden looks awful. There are 2 dash
Many.
trees.
Many.
बहुत अच्छे. On Sunday there is not dash traffic.
Much.
It rained heavily. Only dash children
Some.
came to school.
Some.
Some.
I always keep dash money in my wallet.
Some.
Some.
The doctor advised me to eat dash apple every
An
morning.
apple.
An
An
apple.
apple.
My brother doesn't drink dash coffee.
Any
Any
coffee.
Any.
Very good. So now those who have finished, post on the group. Let me see. Others who have not maintained a fair notebook, please copy it from these children. Post on the group, children. I'm waiting. Please post on the group. Okay. Hurry up, post. I'm seeing the group only. Let me see who all are posting very quickly. Okay, Nikhil has already posted. Very good, Nikhil. Waiting for others. Ramsha has posted. Too good. And Nikhil has posted the rest of the answers. Ramsha has also posted the rest. Exercise 2 also she has posted. Too good. Akshada has posted. Akshada, exercise 2 beta. Post exercise 2. Good. Look at these 3 students. They posted everything for you. Those who do not have a fair notebook, please copy it from here only. See how nicely they have posted. Very nice. So good, children. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Akshada has posted the second part also. So Akshada, Ramsha and Nikhil, all 3 of them have posted their work. Is there someone else who has done the work? Very good, Akshada. Vishesh Agarwal has finished his work. He's saying, Vishesh, please post. Please post your work if you finished, Peter. I'm on the group only watching. Post your work if you have finished.
Ma'am, I am studying from desktop, so I can't now.
Acha. Okay. You
After
cannot
some time,
post
I
now?
can.
Please post, because I'll be marking in my diary those students who posted their work.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. I want everybody to finish the written work. Whenever we have a class, please do your work. Otherwise, when the school opens, you'll have a lot of load on yourself. So please do this. Quickly. These 3 students have already helped you out. Those who do not have a notebook, what they can do? Simply, you can copy it today. That is what you need to do. That is what you have to do.
Ma'am, I have done in the rough notebook.
So you'll have to make a fair one, beta. Okay? Never
Okay,
mind
ma'am.
if you've done. At least you've done your work. That's important. Just copy it in the fair notebook. That is important. Should I take the call?